is long division. Arithmetic division in which the divisor has two or more figures and a series of steps is made as successive group of digits of the dividend are divided by the divisor to avoid excessive mental calculation. Meron po tayo dito example is 6x squared minus 2x minus 28. Ang tawag po dito is dividend and divisor. Ang gagawin po natin is i-divide po natin siya. Kunin po natin itong dividend ng 6 squared divided by the divisor is 2x. Gagawin po dyan is 2 divided by 2 ay 6 divided by 2 is out of 3. And x squared divided by x is ito po yung sagot. Yung sagot is ilalagay ko natin dito sa negative ay sa minus 2x sa taas. Then, ipagka-types mo natin si 3x sa 2x. 3 times 2x is 6x squared. Then, 3x squared times 4 is positive 12x. Then, gagawin ko dito is minus. Cancel. Tapos, gagamit po tayo dito ng PCC is keep, change, magiging yung minus po is magiging positive. Tapos, yung positive po is magiging yung positive po is magiging minus. Then, keep, change. Kaya, negative 2 times, negative 2x plus negative 12x is negative 14x. Then, ibaba po natin yung 28. Ang magiging dividend po rin natin dito is negative 14x. Minus 2. Then, ang babating dividend is 14 ay negative 14x. Then, ulit ini yung divisor. Gagawin po rin yung gagawin. I-divide mo lang po natin yung negative 14x sa 2x. Okay. Negative 14x divided by 2x is 7. Negative 7 kasi mas mataas po is yung 14. Then, ilalagay natin siya sa tapat ng negative 28. Ang gagawin po natin is ipagdatimes ulit siya dito sa divisor. Negative 7 times 2x is negative 14x. Negative 7 times 4 is negative 28. Kaya siya negative 28 is mas mataas yung 7 kaya siya yung negative. Then ang pwede natin ay 0. Meron tayo dito, example number 2 is ang ating 3x cubed plus 4x squared minus 7x squared minus 5. Ito rin yung dividend natin and the divisor. Pag-divide natin yung dividend at yung divisor. The dividend is 3x cubed divided by 3x. 3 divided by 3 is and 3 x cubed divided by x is x squared. Ilalagay na siya sa nakatang or x squared. Then, ipagka-times natin siya dito sa divisor is this one. X squared times 3x is 3x cubed. ACC is keep, change. Is among yung sagot is 6x squared. Then ibababa natin si negative 7x and negative 5. Then, proceed ulit tayo. One-third ang gagawin natin. Dito ang dividend, dito ang divisor. Kukunin yung dividend, i-divide yung divisor. 6x squared divided by 3x. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Then, x squared divided by x is x. Then, ilalagay natin siya dito sa path ng negative 7x. Magiging positive 2. Then, ipagtatensya rin siya sa divisor is positive 2x times 3x is positive x. Then, positive 2x times negative 2 is negative 4x. Then, cancel. And ACC is keep, change. Sagot sa negative 7x is positive 4x is negative x. Then, ibababa natin yung negative 5. And the dividend, ulit, ang dividend na dibigay is negative 3x and the divisor is 3x. Then, katulad na gagawin is dividend is 3x divided by negative. Then, ilatag mo tayo sa negative 5. Negative 1 times 3x is negative 3x. Then, negative 1 times negative 2 is positive. Cancel. ACC keep, change. Is sagot natin dyan ay negative 7.
What is synthetic division? In algebra, synthetic division is a method for manually performing Euclidean division of polynomials with less writing and fewer calculation than long division. It is mostly taught for division by linear monic polynomials, but the method can be generalized to division by any polynomial. Now let's carry on with another example, which is x cubed minus 11x plus 30 divided by x minus 3. Repeat the same process. We get the x minus 3 is equals to 0, then transpose. X is now equals to positive 3. Let's write our divisor, which is positive 3, then bring down the given 1, negative 11, and positive 30. We will also be adding, so bring down the first term, which is 1. So 1 times 3 is 3, negative 11 plus 3 is negative 8. 3 times negative 8 is negative 24. 30 plus negative 24 is 6. That leaves us 6 as our remainder. Let's use example x squared plus 11x plus 30 divided by the x plus 5. First, let's get the x. X plus 5 is equals to 0. Then transpose. X is equals to negative 5. Let's write our divisor, which is negative 5, then bring down the given. 1, 11, and 30. On this equation, we will be adding. So bring down the first term, which is positive 1. Negative 5 times 1 is negative 5. 11 plus negative 5 is positive 6. Negative 5 times 6 is negative 30. Positive 30 plus negative 30 is 0. That means 0 is our remainder.
The remainder theorem definition states that when a polynomial is P, A, is divided by another binomial, A, X, then the remainder of the end result that is obtained is P, X, A.
For our problem in remainder theorem is 2x squared plus 3x minus 10 minus x minus 2. First, we need to find the value of x. X minus 2 is equals to 0. If we transpose it, the 2 will become positive 2. So our value of x is equals to positive 2. So all the x here will become 2. So 2 times 2 squared plus 3 times 2 minus 10. 2 squared is equals to 4. Then 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So 2 times 4 plus 6 minus 10. 2 times 4 is equals to 8. Then bring down the others. 8 plus 6 minus 10. 8 plus 6 is equals to 14. Then minus 10 is equals to 4. So our remainder here is positive 4.
In mathematics, factor theorem is used when factoring the polynomials completely. It is a theorem that links factors and zeros of the polynomial. According to factor theorem, if fux is a polynomial of degree n, while 1 and ea is any real number, then xa is a factor of fex.
Factor theorem. Determine whether x minus 2 is a factor of px equals x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. First, we need to find the value of x also. X minus 2 is equals to 0 and the same transpose, so it will become positive 2. Let's change all the x by the 2 because the value of x is 2. 2 cubed plus 2 times 2 squared minus 5 squared minus 6. 2 cubed is 8 plus 2 times 4 minus 10 minus 6. 2 times 4 is 8, so 8 plus 8 minus 10 minus 6. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16, then bring down again. 16 minus 10 is 6 minus 6. So 6 minus 6 is equals to 0. So x minus 2 is a factor of x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6.